Hey Julian, so I'm looking at your project. Oh, first of all, um, I don't know if you got this or not, but I got these compiler warnings about unmappable character for encoding UTF-8. And see how it says triangle.java line 6. Let's go in for a second and look at triangle.java line 6. And here's line 6. If you don't see the lines numbers, I think it's in the preferences that you have that. Yeah, see, you can click this display line numbers, and that'll make your line numbers show up. So you see here on line 6, it has this author Michael. It's this character here. So if you're on a PC, you might not see it that way. This is I'm running this on a Mac, but just in case you do see that and have it show up, that's what's going on. So sometimes these characters, because Michael Colling spells his name with an O with the 2 dots over it, so some of those characters are if you stick in a weird character, sometimes that comes up, but it's not a it doesn't mean there's anything wrong with your program. Your program's fine. If you wanted to, you could go through and change those things to like regular O's if that's an issue for you and you don't want to see the warnings there. But here's another one for canvas.java, the same idea. But anyway, that's what that is. So I hit compile on this thing, and I see this. It says make the sunset public void sunset int distance as missing method body or declare abstract. So basically, when you after you write your method signature right here, the public void set color, the next thing that should come after this closing parentheses is a brace, not a semicolon. And in general, if you look through the code, you'll see you only put a semicolon at the end of a statement in a white area. Okay, so you see the methods are kind of framed by these yellow rectangles, and then inside there's a white rectangle, and those statements in the white rectangles have the semicolons after them. And the same, and also with the if statement, you notice there's no semicolon here. There's just an opening brace, and then inside the white area. So here we have a white area framed by purple, but this is where the semicolons go. Okay, so let me get rid of this. And also, what I like to do is go into edit and pick auto layout. It kind of makes things look a little cleaner. Okay, so we do want this semicolon here. Let's hit compile. Alright, so it looks like that compiled with no errors. And again, we're getting these encoding things with the O's. So I'll just for kicks, like I said, you don't have to do this, but if you just don't want to see those error messages come up, so if we hit compile, yeah, there was another one in person here. Okay, so so it looks like that compiled. So let's see if it does what we wanted it to. I don't remember how you pull this up. Was it with get canvas? Close. Oh, or maybe it was new picture. I'm gonna kill this. I think I did this wrong. If I say new picture and draw, is that it? Oh yeah, there it goes. Okay. So here we go, and then is there? Sunset. I don't know. 20. What happens with that? let me just move things a little bit so we can maybe see the sunset. Hey, it went down 20. Okay, so it looks like that's what it's doing what we wanted it to do. So if you have any more questions, just shoot me another email.